Hello guys, get ready because in this video I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Narzo 80x. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can check your Bluetooth. Now here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it, and now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.